Hey everyone! In this video, I want to show you the trending effect which is going around TikTok called the zoom and flip effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Zoom and flip effect is basically an effect where the camera will zoom in and then invert your face multiple times. This effect really looks good when there is matching music with it. So let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover, search for Zoom and Flip. You should see it appear under Effect. Tap on it. Here you can see how others have used this effect in their video. Majority of the users are using the selfie camera and the subject is usually just looking at the camera making different expressions. On screen, I have the name of the recommended sound used on the video. When watching other users' video, tap on the sound and make sure you save it to the favorites. Now, once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now tap on Add Sound and add the sound which you have saved to favorites. Once you're ready, tap on Record and film your TikTok video. And there you go, that is a trending effect called Zoom and Flip on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.